Don't even know if it has enough compression to start. It doesn't have a clutch. Hello everyone, and thank you for watching the video. So today I've got this gas trimmer here. This is a Homelite SX135 Bandit. Never heard of it. I'm sure most people probably haven't. There's probably only a few of them left out there that are still functioning and in use. So, you know, this is for a few people that are going to watch the video here that may be interested in this. What we're going to try to do today is get this thing, or take a look at it anyway. I don't even know if I'll be able to get it running. Picked this up at a thrift store months back. Been sitting on the carport here, and as you can see, the price is no longer even there. It's faded out. So here's what we have. We've got, well, here's what we don't have. We don't have a primer bulb. We don't have fuel lines going to the tank. We do have a filter in there. I've got to get it out. It is very dirty. There's probably dirt in the carburetor. I haven't even opened the filter up yet. I have not checked the plug. Don't even know if it has enough compression to start. It doesn't have a clutch. So before getting too involved in replacing the fuel lines, we're going to check the spark on the plug here, see what we have. Here's a look at our plug, and it's wet because I sprayed some lubricant because it was really tight. Some of that lubricant, as you can see, is, you know, around here, and it went down in here a little bit, but take a look at the cylinder wall, maybe. You can see anything there. Not a lot of carbon buildup. So I was able to see some spark. I'm not sure if it's going to be enough to start it necessarily, but it looked like it was a little bit of blue spark there, so that's good. Okay, let's see. How do we get this off here? Yeah, just pull it up on here. Okay. Doesn't seem to be that bad. Got spider eggs here. The filter, though, looks... Wow. Oh, my goodness. Look at that. Oh wow, look how clean it is. So we'll need to replace the filter here before it breaks up. It's breaking up on this side anyway. Here's a look at the line that I got out of the tank. Here's some fuel line that I already have. I think that's going to work out right there. See, that's not very good anymore. Alright, so we've cut our fuel line, we've got it tapered in. Okay, I'm going to grab something else here, a small screwdriver, maybe a flathead. So I got to keep feeding it into the tank until I can grab it from inside the tank with pliers or hemostats. Alright, now I'm going to pull the filter back into the tank and lay it on the bottom of the tank. I'm going to go with something like that. There's some more line I need to get out of there later. See in the back there. Line on. Now let's go for this one right here. This one's a little smaller, so I'm going to need a little smaller fuel line. Here's what I'm going to go with on that the other line. It's a little bit smaller. I'm going to go with this one here, right here. I'm going to taper the end of it off so that it goes in a little bit easier. Something like that. I'm going to spray this with carb cleaner. I'm going to take this plate off that holds the primer bulb on. It wasn't very tight at all. Guess we're going to have to take our lines maybe back off too. Let's see. Okay, it doesn't look that dirty to me, really. That screen there doesn't even look that dirty. I'm going to take the gasket and diaphragm off here. Okay, taking the gasket and diaphragm and putting that back in place. So let's grab our new or borrowed primer bulb, purge bulb, whatever it is. Put our plate on. Okay, how does it go now? Let's see. Yeah, does it go like that? Yeah, I think it goes like that. So let's look for any dirt dauber's nest on the exhaust here or inside it. I could feel, air coming out of the muffler here when I was pulling the cord, so I think we should at least be able to get it started. And then if it doesn't run very well, we can check that later. Gonna add the 50-to-1 mixture to our now clean gas tank. All right, now let's see if it's going to prime. There we go. We're getting some fuel. I'm going to go ahead and set up on a tripod. We're going to try to start it for the first time now. I don't know if it's going to start or not. We may have to take the carburetor all the way off and you know, clean the metering side there. But we'll go ahead and try to start it. So what I'll be doing here is, you know, I've only primed it a couple of times, and there's no, you know, fuel in the bulb here. So what we'll do is prime it 8 more times. We'll put it in, yeah, this position here, choke, pull it until we kind of hear it try to start, then we'll put it in the second position, keep pulling it. If it does start, we'll let it warm up for about 30 seconds, and then I'll put it in the run position. I'll be pulling the throttle for this. So yeah, let's go ahead and set up on the tripod. I'll put the wire back on my, what else? Here's the off button. There's some adjustments right here, high and low. You know, hopefully we won't have to mess with that right now. We may have to later if we can get it to run, and if it's not running good. But we'll check that out later. I'm going to go ahead and leave that filter back in just to check it out, and eventually, if it runs, I'll put a better one in there. So let's just see what we've got here. Okay, let's prime it until 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've got good fuel in the bulb. Put it in the second position. Okay, so I just made adjustments to the idle here. Probably still need to make some more. But yeah, I'm a little surprised that it started up as well as it does. I guess that's going to be it for the Homelite Bandit SS35. Yeah, it doesn't have a clutch, so it's going to spin. Let's see if we can lower the idle just a little bit here. That's about as low as I'm going to be able to get it. So, yeah, not a bad little trimmer. Thanks for watching. Until next time, have a nice day. Take care.